Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a rare find. This split level single family 4-bedroom 3-bathroom plus helpers quarters house forms part of a large residential community known as Mona Estate in Kingston, which lies northeast of the well-established subdivision of Beverly Hills. All the bedrooms are on the same level. Sited on 0.29 acre, Mona Estate is fully established as an upper middle income residential neighborhood, which at the present time is characterized by areas of well-developed single-family dwelling on large parcels of land. There is a growing trend of high-density development impacting on the community, where several apartment developments are interspersed through the area. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 77 million or US $500,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.